Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode of HALINA'T MATH-TUTO sa Dasmariñas North National High School TV. I'm your teacher lecturer, Mr. Floro Q. Palomeras Jr. And today, we will discuss about linear equation and inequalities in one variable. But before we proceed to our new lesson, let's have a short review. Translate the verbal phrases into algebraic expression. Number 1. The sum of a number A and B. Number 1. The sum of a number A and B. The correct answer, A plus B. Number 2. 7 more than D. Number 2. 7 more than D. The correct answer, D plus 7. Number 3, twice N. Number 3, twice N. The correct answer, 2N. Number 4, the difference of X and 5. Number 4, the difference of X and 5. The correct answer, X minus 5. Number 5, 8 less than Y. 8 less than Y. The correct answer, Y minus 8. Lesson 1, linear equations. What is the difference between expression and equations? Expression does not have an equal sign, only plus or minus. Examples: number 1, 3x plus 5. Number 2, 2 quantity x minus 4. Number 3, a squared plus b squared. How about equations? Equation has an equal sign, separating two expressions. Examples: number 1, 3x plus 5 equals 7. Number 2, 2 quantity x minus 4 equals 3. And number 3, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. What is linear equations? The linear equation in one variable is an equation which is expressed in the form of ax plus b equals 0, where a and b are two integers and x is a variable that has only one solution. Example: 3x plus 5 equals 7, where 3x plus 5 is the left side, and then we have also equal sign. 7 is the right side. Historical note: the equal sign was introduced by Robert Recorde in 1510 to 1558, an English mathematician, to mean that expression are names or description of exactly the same objects. Example: determine if the given values of x are solutions to the equation. Letter A, x minus 4 equals 6, x equals 10, and x equals 8. For x equals 10, copy the equation, substitute the value of x to the equation. It will become 10 minus 4 equals 6, 10 minus 4 equals 6, 6 equals 6. Therefore, this is true. For x equals 8, copy the equation, substitute the value of x to the equation. It will become 8 minus 6 equals 6. 8 minus 6 equals 2. 2 is not equal to 6. Therefore, this is false. 10 is a solution to the equation, but 8 is not a solution. Example, determine if the given values of x are solution to the equation. Letter B, x squared minus 3 equals 1. X equals 2, x equals negative 2, x equals 3. For x equals 2, copy the equation, substitute the value of x to the equation. It will become quantity 2 squared minus 3 equals 1. 2 times 2 equals 4 minus 3 equals 1. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 1 equals 1. Therefore, this is true. For x equals negative 2, copy the equation, substitute the value of x to the equation. It will become quantity negative 2 squared minus 3 equals 1. Negative 2 times negative 2, it will become 4 minus 3 equals 1. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 1 equals 1. Therefore, this is true. For x equals 3, copy the equation, substitute the value of x to the equation. It will become quantity 3 squared minus 3 equals 1. 3 times 3, 9, minus 3 equals 1. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 6 is not equals to 1. Therefore, this is false. The value of 2 and negative 2 are solutions or roots of the equations, but 3 is not. Hence, the solution sets of the equation x squared minus 3 equals 1 is a set of 2 and negative 2. Another example shows that 2x minus 5 equals 1 and 4x equals 12 are equivalent. 2x minus 5 equals 1. 2 times 3 minus 5 equals 1. 2 times 3 equals 6 minus 5 equals 1. 6 minus 5 equals 1. So 1 equals 1. And 4x equals 12. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 equals 12. The equations are equivalent since their solution are the same 3. Two equations having the same solution are called equivalent equations. When the highest power of the variable of an equation in one variable is 1, the equation is linear and also called the first degree equation. It is equivalent to equation of the form ax plus b equals 0, where a and b are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Solving equation using addition principle. The addition principle of inequality: if the same number is added both sides of an equation, the result on both sides are equal in a value. Thus, for any numbers a, b, and c, if a equals b, then a plus b equals b plus c. Example, solve for x in x minus 5 equals 10. Solution, copy the equation, x minus 5 equals 10. Add 5 to each side, combine like terms. It will become x minus 5 plus 5 equals 10 plus 5. X equals 15. Check. x minus 5 equals 10. Substitute the value of x, it will become 15 minus 5 equals 10. 15 minus 5 equals 10. 10 equals 10. Since the same value appear on both sides of the equal sign, 10 equals 10, the value checks. We have correctly solved the equation. Another example, solve for x in 2x plus 4 equals x plus 6. Solution, copy the equation, 2x plus 4 equals x plus 6. Transpose 4 to the right side. It will become 2x equals x plus 6 minus 4. Transpose x to the left side. It will become 2x minus x equals 6 minus 4. Combine like terms. X equals 2. Check. Substitute the value of x to the equation. It will become 2 quantity 2 plus 4 equals 2 plus 6. 2 times 2, 4, plus 4 equals 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 equals 8. Study tip. When you transpose an equality to the other side, the equation, change its sign. Solving equations using the multiplication principle. Multiplication principle. If both sides of an equation are multiplied by the same number, the result on each side are equal on the value. Thus, for real number a and b and c, with c is not equal to 0. If a is equals to b, then ac equals to bc. Solve equation principle 1 over a x equals b. Example. Solve for x in x over 4 equals negative 2. Solution. Multiply both sides of the equation by reciprocal of 1/4, which 4. X over 4 equals negative 2. X over 4 times 4 equals negative 2 times 4. X over 4 times 4 equals x. Negative 2 times 4 equals negative 8. X equals negative 8. Check. Substitute the value of x to the equation. It will become negative 8 over 4 equals negative 2. Negative 8 over 4 equals negative 2. Negative 2 equals negative 2. Solve equation principle ax equals b. Example. Solve for x in 2x equals 4. Solution. Multiply both sides the equation by the reciprocal of 2, which 1/2. 2x equals 4. 2x multiplied by 1/2 equals 4 multiplied by 1/2. 2x times 1/2 equals x. 4 times 1/2 equals 2. Therefore, x equals 2. Check. Substitute the value of x to the equation. It will become 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 equals 4. Another principle, the division principle. For real numbers a, b, and c, with C is not equal to 0. If A equals to B, then A over C equals B over C. Example, solve for x in negative 5x equals 20. Solution, copy the equation, negative 5x equals 20. Divide both sides by negative 5. It will become negative 5x over negative 5 equals 20 over negative 5. Negative 5x over negative 5, it will become x. 20 over negative 5 equals negative 4. Therefore, x equals negative 4. Check. Substitute the given value of x, which is negative 4, to the equation of negative 5x equals 20. It will become negative 5 times negative 4 equals 20. Negative 5 times negative 4 equals 20. So 20 equals 20. Examples. Write the equation described in the following problems. Number 1, twice the sum of a number 1 is 5. Number 1, twice the sum of a number 1 is 5. The correct answer, 2 quantity x plus 1 equals 5. Number 2, the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 15. Number 2, the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 15. The correct answer, 3x equals 15. Number 3, 2/3 of the number is 9. 2/3 of the number is 9. The correct answer, 2 over 3x equals 9. Number 4, 4 times a number increased by 7 is 12. Number 4, 4 times a number increased by 7 is 12. The correct answer, 4x plus 7 equals 12. Number 5, 9 subtracted from the quotient of a number and the 3 is 22. Number 5, 9 subtracted from the quotient of a number and 3 is 22. The correct answer, x over 3 minus 9 equals 22. Lesson 2, Linear Inequalities. What is linear inequality? An equality is a mathematical sentence which states that two expressed are unequal. The inequality in one variable is linear if the highest power of the variable 1. The solution set of inequality is the set of the values that makes inequality a true statement. The mathematical sentence x less than or equal to 6 is an equality, where x is the left side and less than or equals is the rational symbol. 6 is the right side. Speaking mathematically, x is less than 5. 3x is greater than 2. X minus 2 is greater than or equals to 1. 7x plus 4 is less than or equal to 9. Example, verify if the given values of x are solutions to 3x minus 4 less than or equals to 2. Letter A, x equals 3. Letter B, x equals negative 3. And letter C, x equals 2. Solutions. If x equals 3, copy the equation. 3x minus 4 less than or equals to 2. Substitute the value of x to the equation. It will become 3 quantity 3 minus 4 less than or equals to 2. 3 times 3 equals 9 minus 4 less than or equals to 2. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Therefore, 5 less than or equals to 2. False. Simply because 5 is greater than or equals to 2. If x equals negative 3, copy the equation 3x minus 4 less than equals to 2. Substitute the given value of x to the equation. It will become 3 quantity negative 3 minus 4 less than or equals to 2. 3 times negative 3 equals negative 9 minus 4 less than or equals to 2. Negative 9 minus 4 equals negative 13. Negative 13 less than or equals to 2. Yes, this is true. Simply because 2 is greater than negative 13. If x equals 2, 3x minus 4 less than or equals to 2. Substitute the value of x to the equation. It will become 3 quantity 2 minus 4 less than or equals to 2. 3 times 2, 6 minus 4 less than or equals to 2. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Therefore, 2 less than or equals to 2. True. Yes, 2 is equals to 2. The values of negative 3 and 2 are the solutions to 3x minus 4 less than or equals to 2. Examples. Write the inequality described in the following problems. Number 1. Thrice a number increased by 4 is less than 30. Number 1. Thrice a number increased by 4 is less than 30. The correct answer is 3x plus 4 less than 30. Number 2. 1/2 the sum of a number 1 is less than 10. Number 2. 1/2 of the sum of a number 1 is less than 10. The correct answer, 1/2 quantity x plus 1 is less than 10. And number 3, a number increased by 1/3 of the number is 8. Number 3, a number increased by 1/3 of the number is 8. The correct answer is x plus 1/3 x equals 8. And that's it. Don't forget to like and share the HALINA'T MATH-TUTO sa Dasmariñas North National High School TV for more updates. Bye-bye!